Hey everyone, this is lesson 7.5. One more time, this is a bonus question for you. And it's solving number stories. We're 4th grade, page 240. I wanted to give you a standalone tutorial on how to multiply a whole number by a mixed number when it's not a part of a story problem, just when they're asking you straight up, what is 3 times 3 and 2/10? So I wanted to walk you, hopefully this is a shorter tutorial. I just want to walk you through the basics, and we won't have to worry about converting to seconds or minutes or anything like that. So let's start. The first step is to multiply the whole number by the other whole number. So this is a mixed number, but it has a whole number in it. It's the number 3. So the first step, we're just going to take that first 3 and multiply them by the second 3. And we know 3 times 3 equals 9. And next, the second step is to take our whole number and now multiply them by the fraction. We already multiplied them by the first part, and now we just need to multiply them by the second part. So now we're going to do 3 and 2/10. And I'm going to cut this even shorter than I did for the story problem. Do you remember how to turn a whole number into a fraction? I'll ask you that. And maybe ask yourself that. Do you know how to turn a whole number into a fraction? And if you don't, I'll refresh your memory. We turn a whole number into a fraction. It's a cool little trick just by putting him over 1. You can put any whole number over 1, and that's the fraction version of it. Just like you want to make 12 into a fraction, you just take the 12 and put them on top of a 1. Okay? So in this case, for part 2, we're going to start by turning the whole number into a fraction, and then we're going to multiply them by the other fraction, which is 2/10. And we know that when we multiply fractions, it's the coolest function, the easiest function to do with fractions. We just multiply across. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 10 is 10. So we have a whole number portion, a fraction portion. And here's the really good news. The fraction is proper. The numerator is smaller than the denominator, which means we don't really have to do anything with it. We can reduce it if we wanted, but I'm not going to push you guys to reduce right now. If you're interested in actually breaking them down, I'll let you, I would recommend YouTubing or Googling how to reduce fractions for a refresher. But I'm going to keep it really simple for us today. After you find your whole number, 3 times 3, and your fraction answer, 3 over 1 times 2/10, you're going to combine them, and you're going to get 9 wholes and 6/10. And you're done. Okay, we're going to put that right here. And hopefully that's a quicker and easier way for you guys to follow along and master the whole number times a mixed number learning goal today. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you for lesson 6-7. Wait, no, 7-6. Yeah, 7-6. All right, see you guys.